We can see where it is, but we can't see what it is.
Don't leave it.
There's nothing I could do from here. It's just so agile, but it's wrapped itself for about 40, 50 twigs.
Then we see the snake. It's a boomslang. The boomslang is a nightmare to catch, especially in the trees. It's extremely fast, well camouflaged, and rarely comes down to the ground. Drop for drop, the boomslang's bite is worse than a black mamba. I can see this is not going to be an easy catch. It's going to be complete chaos. There's over 50 kids nearby. If the boomslang manages to bite one of them, they're going to be in serious trouble.
There's too many twigs. I've got twigs and I've got snake. Okay. And there's nothing I could do. I can't hold it all day.
And the property owner is getting nervous.
Don't release it, Simon. You've got it there. Don't release it. It's still
I hate these situations. I feel really helpless. I can't put any tongs on it, and he's saying it's slipping away.
Frickin' tongs. Get in there. Just watch it. No, it's gone.
Where's it gone? Where's it gone?
There's a chair for me. I can see it.
Is it lower down?
Yeah, it's lower down.
Frickin' hell.
Keep an eye on it. Am I going this side now? The snake comes down, but then it vanishes.
Where?
This is a serious team effort. The kids, the property owner, and even our crew. There are 50 of us trying to find one little snake. Keep an eye out, guys. Keep an eye out if you see it. Is our snake whisperer is that side, isn't he?
No. Yeah, but this is frustrating because it's there somewhere. I just can't see it.